What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make functions. Now, I want to quickly explain what functions are, just in case you don't know. Just take me like 10 seconds. But there is a /function command in Minecraft. Now, what this allows you to do is you can call any function which you've made, which I'm going to be showing you today. But let's say I just named the function test, right? Which I don't have any right now. But let's say I named one that, I would just type it like this to call it, right? Obviously I don't have one, so it's not going to do anything. But what a function does is I can have a command block down, and let's say I made it do just say A, right? And then I put a chain after it that did say B, right? Now obviously this works fine, right? But a function can do both of those in just one command. So I would type it in chat /function, and then let's say I just named it say, right? Now we can do a lot more advanced commands than just say, right? And as well, we can run 10,000 functions in or 10,000 commands in one function. So yeah, I'm gonna be making this on PC. That's how I'm gonna be showing you today. So yeah, first thing you're gonna want to do is we actually need to go into our files and get to this com.mojang folder, which I'm gonna be showing you how to get there. So what we're gonna do is go into our search and then type app data. So just like that, percent app data percent. And then we're gonna open this folder. Now you're gonna go up here, and it put you in roaming, so you're gonna want to go out of that and go into app data, right? You're gonna go to local. From there, you want to find packages, which is right there. Now we want to scroll down just a little bit. I know this looks like a lot, but you just need to find Microsoft.Minecraft. There's only one of these. So you're gonna open that. From here, go to local state, then into games, and then here's your folder. Now, we're gonna actually have to create a behavior pack for this, which is in the behavior pack folder right here. So these are all behavior packs I've created in the past. If you haven't done any, nothing will be here. But yeah, to create a pack, we're gonna simply just do new folder. So right click, click on new, and then make a new folder. I'm gonna just name mine functions video. It doesn't matter what you name this here, but you can name it whatever. So I'm just naming mine functions vid, and now we need to open that. Alright, so in here, we're gonna need really two things. So we're gonna need a, just create a folder, and this is gonna be named functions. We'll come back to this in a second. And now we're gonna create a, right click again, then click create a new text document, and name this manifest. And then you're gonna want to change it from a .txt to a .json. Once you click enter, this will pop up. Just click yes. And now we want to open this folder. So I'm gonna just this file. I'm gonna just open it with Notepad. And right now it's blank. I'm going to quickly copy what needs to be in here. So we're gonna paste this. Now this will be in the description of the video, so make sure to check that. Copy that and then paste it in this file. Now there are a few things that we're gonna need to change. First off, the name of our behavior pack. Now you can name this whatever, but I'm just gonna name this function. Right, and then, actually I'm gonna name it function say. You can name it whatever, again, but this is what will be, appear in your behavior packs list. Now, if we want to add a description, we can right here, and I'm just gonna put a description of test. Again, if you want, you can put whatever you want here. Right, now there's two more things we need to change. We need to change this, uuid, and then, this one down here as well. We don't need to worry about this description here. But yeah, the uuids. So, you don't really have to worry too much about what those are, but rather how we're going to get them. So we're going to open, you can open Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whatever. Just open a browser, type in uuid generator, just like that. Now this first link is what we're going to want to go to. Now once here, you're going to go to bulk version 1 uuid generation, and then you're going to type in 2 to generate you 2 uuids. Now you're going to want to copy your first one, go back into your manifest, and then right between these parentheses, and yeah, quotation marks, those. You're going to want to make sure you have it. So as you can see, I have a quotation mark on each side, and yeah, now we're going to copy our second uuid, and then we're going to just quickly paste it down here. So yeah, from there, we're going to save our pack, so file save. Again, you can change the name, the description, and you need these UIDs. But once we're done here, we're going to go back to our behavior pack, and now in this functions folder is where we're going to actually have all of the functions we want. So to create a new function, it's simply just right click, go to new, and then create a new text document. And this is gonna actually determine the name of like how you call it. So for instance, when I was doing slash function test, if I wanted to have it so the name of it was actually test, to call it like that, I would do test here dot MC function. Um, but am gonna just name mine to be say. So I would have to do slash function say. And this is where you change the name of it. So type whatever you want there, and then we're gonna click enter, and then click yes to change our file type. And now in here, it's gonna be really simple. We're just gonna type all the commands we want it to run. So we cannot type slash, let's say a, but we can do say a. Uh, just like command block, you don't have to do the slash, but in this case, if you do the slash, it will not work. So make sure you do it without the slash. So I'm gonna do say A, say B, and say C. Now this is actually how you add a new command. You just click enter. If you want to leave blank lines, you can. It won't affect it how it runs, but it's easier to see. But yeah, so you just type in a command, enter, enter, whatever. Yeah, and you can have up to 10,000 different commands in here, so that would be 10,000 lines. So now, once we're done here, we're gonna save that, so you could just do file save, and then we're gonna close that out. Now, from here, we are done creating our pack, so we actually need to close out Minecraft, and then open Minecraft back up. So this is gonna take a second, for me since I'm recording, but it shouldn't take that long. Um, yeah. So once we have it back up, we'll just be able to go to our world and then put the behavior pack on, and we'll be able to run our functions. So now that my game's open, I'm gonna go to the world I was just in, go to behavior packs, and then as you can see, I have my behavior pack right here. So I'm gonna just click activate, just continue, and yeah. Now we can just click play. And then, like I said earlier, actually, if I open this again, it's say.mc function. So that means now I have to type slash function and then say. As you can see, it's right there. And then, bam, it just did it right there. ABC, right? You can do any command in the function pack. I just did these to keep it simple. You cannot do conditionals, sadly, in functions yet. I would hope to say it like that. I hope conditionals come because that would make functions so much better. But yeah, we could also type it in a command block. So let's say I did function say, then I can just do it like that, and again, it runs a function. So like it says here, it's 3 function entries, but if I wanted it to actually be more, which actually I can open this here, and then I can go down. I'll add gaps just to show that you can do that. Um, right. So if I do this now, right, I actually don't have to restart my game if I'm just changing a function, right? So after I've changed it, I would need to reload, and then I believe it should work. So let's see if it does. Okay. Yeah, actually. Okay. Ignore that, but to do, if you wanted to do it like that, where you can just edit it, you would actually need to open the world file, and then here, and then, hold on. You have to make sure you get it so it's whatever today. You know what? Whatever. I showed how to make a function, in today. If you want to change it, all you have to do is, in your function file, so I have mine function vid, right? Once you've done this, you change your function in here, you go back to your manifest, and then ignore what I'm opening it with, it's still the same. But then all you want to do is the version here, you want to change that to 2, and then this one to 2. And then once this gets, let's say, to 9, you would make that into a 10, basically, like that. Um, but yeah, so that's how you would do it there, and then you would just obviously need to restart your game, and it would update it, which I'm not going to show today because, yeah, I don't want to take too much of your time, but, yeah, that's really going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. If you really liked it, make sure to subscribe, and, yeah, if you have anything that you want to see me, make with commands, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to check it out, and if it's really interesting, I mean, I'll give it a try, maybe even do a video on it. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.